Lesson 52, Documents with Columns Word Drills. First task is to change the theme. So choose Design, Themes, and this one is Berlin. Select the title and change the font color to orange accent 1. So you'll select, starting with the very first paragraph, all the way to this end, which will be 7 paragraphs, and then choose Layout, Columns 3. And notice, because we selected below the title stayed across the entire screen centered. Click anywhere in the 3 columns and change it from Layout, Columns from 3 to 2. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see that the columns are uneven. If you click after the second one and choose Layout, Breaks, Continuous, it'll make them even, or pretty close. We're going to insert a line between the 2 columns, so make sure you click anywhere in the column so that you're not in the title. And under Columns, choose More and select Line Between. There's your preview, and OK. Remove, again, click anywhere in the columns. Go back to Layout, Columns, More, and now we'll uncheck the line between and it goes away. OK. Click before the executive and we're going to insert a picture. Insert, Picture, Select, and Insert. With the picture selected, we're going to change the size of it. So select the picture. Under Picture Tools, click Format. So then now you can go into the formatting size, and the height is 2, and enter. It automatically changes the width to 2. Select the picture, and we're going to go to Picture Tools, Format, Arrange, Position, and we're going with Middle Center with Square text wrapping. And the last thing we'll do is put a page border. So choose Design and hover over to Borders. Make sure it's Box. And they want that same 9th one, which is this one, Thick and Thin. And then I think it's just change the color to orange accent 1, and OK. And you're done. Thank you.